Zendesk versus Zoho Desk, which is the best help desk software? That's the question many businesses are asking, and today we're diving deep into both of these platforms. Both Zendesk and Zoho Desk have earned solid reputations in the customer service industry, but which one truly deserves your attention? Keep watching till the end, because we're not just comparing features. I'll reveal which one might not be the best fit for your business, and an alternative that's been a game changer for me. Let's start with Zendesk. Known for its clean, user-friendly interface, Zendesk offers a range of tools that make managing customer support a breeze. From ticket management to integrations with over 100 apps, it has everything a growing business might need. However, here's the thing, while Zendesk offers great functionality, it's not exactly budget-friendly, especially when you want to scale. If you're a small business, the costs can quickly add up with all the add-ons you'll need. The pricing structure is a bit tricky too. Different features come at different tiers, and the cost can go up depending on the number of agents you have. This can be a huge downside for startups or those on a tight budget. Next thing, Zoho Desk. If you're looking for a more affordable option without sacrificing too many features, Zoho Desk might catch your attention. It's a solid choice, especially for small to mid-sized businesses. With its intuitive interface, Zoho Desk offers good automation tools, workflow customization, and robust reporting. But here's the catch, while it's cheaper than Zendesk, it doesn't always perform as smoothly when handling complex customer support operations. Some users find the platform a bit clunky when scaling up, and you may find yourself spending a bit more time on setup than you'd like. The third thing to consider is customer support. Both platforms claim to be customer-centric, but the reality is that Zendesk offers more comprehensive customer support options, including a 24/7 chat feature. Zoho Desk support isn't as hands-on, and their response times can be slower, especially if you're not on their highest tier plan. So, if you value strong customer support, Zendesk might have the upper hand here. The fourth thing is integration options. Zendesk is more robust in this area. Its extensive list of integrations with third-party apps is hard to beat. This can be crucial if your business already relies on other tools like CRM systems or social media platforms. Zoho Desk, while offering many integrations, doesn't quite match up to Zendesk's extensive options. Next, let's talk about reporting and analytics. Both platforms give you the data you need to measure success, but Zendesk's analytics are more advanced and can be customized to fit your specific needs. Zoho Desk has decent reporting features, but when you compare them side by side, Zendesk definitely wins here, especially if you're into deep analytics for decision-making. Finally, scalability. Zendesk is well known for scaling with businesses, but that doesn't come cheap. For those with larger teams or more complex needs, Zendesk can handle it. Just make sure you have the budget to support it. Zoho Desk is more suitable for smaller to medium-sized businesses, though it can handle some growth, but its flexibility is limited when you need to expand quickly. So, what's my final take? Both Zendesk and Zoho Desk are solid, but they're not always the best fit for every business. Zendesk's high cost and complicated pricing structure can be a deal breaker for small businesses, and Zoho Desk's clunky performance at scale can be frustrating as you grow. After trying both of these tools myself, I believe there's a better alternative for the goal of delivering great customer service without the complexity or sky-high prices. If you want to see how it compares, take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. This trial gives you full access to the software, and through our link, you'll get benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Check out the first link in the description for the best free trial for this alternative and discover if it's the right fit for your business. You won't regret it.